Hey, quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to post more videos on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, but the thought of filming, editing, captions, and trends just made you go, "Ugh"? Yeah, same here. Because let's be honest, short-form video works, but creating it every single day, that's where most people burn out. So today, I want to talk about a tool that's been popping up everywhere lately, and I decided to actually test it and break it down for you. It's called Xsora AI. Now, is it legit? Is it overhyped? And more importantly, can it actually help you grow or make money? Let's talk about it. First, let's talk about the problem Xsora AI is trying to solve. Right now, short-form video is everywhere. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook video, and these platforms are aggressively pushing video content. But the issue is, creating viral-style videos the traditional way is exhausting. You need ideas, you need scripts, you need editing, captions, music, formatting for each platform. And if you're doing all of that yourself or paying editors, it gets expensive and overwhelming fast. That's where Xsora AI steps in. Xsora AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform that lets you create short-form videos from a single idea or keyword. No camera, no editing software, no learning curve. Basically, you give it an idea and it generates a ready-to-post video for you. Captions? Done. Voiceover? Done. Visuals? Done. Music? Done. And it formats everything perfectly for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook. That's the core promise. Now, here's the part I actually found interesting. Xsora AI isn't just for creators. It's clearly built for freelancers, agencies, marketers, business owners. You can create faceless videos, UGC-style videos, promotional videos, niche page content, trend-based short videos, all without filming yourself. So if you're camera shy or just don't want to be glued to editing software all night, this is designed for you. Now, let's talk about how people are actually using Xsora AI to make money, because this is where most tools either shine or completely fall apart. With Xsora AI, you can run your own YouTube Shorts or TikTok channels, sell short-form video services on Fiverr or Upwork, offer monthly video packages to brands, manage multiple niche or theme pages, and create ads and promo videos for products. And yes, Xsora AI includes commercial usage rights. That means you keep 100% of the profits. No revenue sharing, no commissions, no weird restrictions. For freelancers and agencies especially, this is huge. Instead of hiring editors or outsourcing, you can deliver more videos faster and protect your margins. Another thing I like, Xsora AI is built as a modern, evolving platform. That means it's not static. As trends change, as AI improves, the system is designed to improve with it. And the interface itself? Clean, simple, beginner-friendly. You don't need prior AI experience, you don't need technical skills, you just log in, enter an idea, and create. Now, let's be real for a second. Xsora AI isn't magic. You still need good ideas, consistency, a basic understanding of your audience. But what it does remove is the time, effort, and burnout that stop most people from ever being consistent. And in today's content world, consistency wins. So the real question is this: are you going to keep struggling to keep up with content or use AI to scale your visibility, growth, and income? If you want to check out Xsora AI for yourself, I've left the link below. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in testing it out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next one.